Driving for Uber and Lyft can be a great gig, but let's be real. Some drivers are still making rookie mistakes that are costing them big money. Are you guilty of any of these? Stick around, and we'll break down the top 10 mistakes that even experienced drivers make. Plus, we'll show you how to fix them and keep more cash in your pocket. Hey everyone, my name is Chris, and welcome to the RideShare Guy. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping rideshare drivers and gig workers maximize their earnings, stay informed, and most importantly, avoid costly mistakes. Today, we're diving into 10 mistakes that might be draining your wallet and what you can do to fix them. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Not being signed up for both Uber and Lyft. Why limit yourself to one app? Being exclusive is great for relationships, but not for rideshare driving. Signing up for both Uber and Lyft gives you options and lets you pick the best rides instead of sitting around waiting for the only game in town. Flexibility is the name of the game. Mistake 2. Not tracking your mileage. Every mile counts, folks, especially at tax time. If you're not tracking your mileage, you're leaving money on the table. And let me save you the trouble of jotting things down in a notebook. Just use the Solo app. It tracks mileage, expenses, and taxes for you. Plus, we've got an affiliate link in the description, so check it out. Mistake 3. Accepting every trip offer. Let me ask you this. Would you work for $2 an hour? No? Then stop accepting every trip Uber and Lyft throw your way. Be selective. Use that acceptance rate strategically to focus on trips that actually make sense. Don't let FOMO ruin your earnings. Mistake 4. Not following the 3 Ps. Patience, planning, positioning. This one is huge. You need patience to wait for high-paying rides, planning to know where the demand will be, and positioning to get yourself there. The 3 Ps are your GPS to better earnings. Don't ignore them. Mistake 5. Driving around aimlessly. Waiting for the next ride. Gas ain't cheap, my friends. And aimlessly driving burns more than fuel. It burns money. Unless you're repositioning to a hotspot, stay put, park smart, and save yourself some cash. Mistake 6. Not knowing or calculating your costs. Do you know how much it actually costs you to drive your car per mile? If not, you might be earning less than you think, or worse, losing money. Maintenance, gas, charging, it all adds up. Run the numbers and know your true earnings. Mistake 7. Not tracking expenses or preparing for taxes. Another shout out to Solo here. Tracking expenses is crucial. Don't wait until tax season to get hit with a nasty surprise. Solo keeps your finances organized so you can maximize deductions and keep Uncle Sam out of your wallet. Link in the description. Mistake 8. Not keeping yourself or your car clean. Nobody wants to ride in a messy car, or worse, a smelly one. And trust me, those air fresheners aren't fooling anyone. Keep your car clean, keep yourself presentable, and keep those tips coming. Mistake 9. Not reading the room. Some passengers want to chat, others want peace and quiet. Pay attention to the vibes and adjust. Ignoring social cues can lead to awkward rides, and worse, bad ratings. Mistake 10. Playing music. Too loud or unpleasant music. Your car isn't a nightclub or your personal karaoke booth. Keep the volume reasonable and the playlist neutral. If in doubt, just ask, hey, is this volume okay? Simple, but effective. Bonus mistake. Taking low ratings. Personally. Look, a perfect 5.0 is like a unicorn. Nice to imagine, but not realistic. Don't stress over a few bad ratings. They happen. And as long as your overall score is solid, you're good. That's it for today. 10 mistakes that Uber and Lyft drivers still make and how to avoid them. Are you guilty of any of these? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the Solo app to track your mileage and expenses. Links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks. Plus, join us for our weekly live show, Show Me the Money Club, every Tuesday at 6 p.m. EST, 3 p.m. PST. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.